Did you drink enough water today? If plain water just feels boring, but you know you should be drinking more, don't worry, I've got you. Here are 5 tips to make it easy. Number 1, infuse it with lemon without worrying about leaching. If you just add some lemon slices or berries and let them sit for a few minutes, your water will taste so much better, fresher, and more exciting, and even healthier with a boost of vitamin C and antioxidants. Number 2, keep it ice cold longer. Let's be real, when your water tastes bland and warm, you kind of lose the urge to drink it. You start with something cold and refreshing, and before you know it, the ice melts and the drink goes flat. So how do you keep your water cold for longer? Taima Titanium ice cubes are perfect for that because they don't melt. Your drink stays cold up to twice as long without messing with the taste. Number 3, keep it safe anywhere. How often do you actually wash your water bottle? Probably not after every use, and that's where the bottles become a problem. Plastic, steel, aluminum, and even glass water bottles can quickly turn into breeding grounds for mold, especially around the mouthpiece. But the Taima Titanium water bottle is different. It's naturally antibacterial, sterile, and completely toxin-free. No coatings, no chemicals, just pure titanium that keeps your water clean no matter where you take it. Even if you forget to rinse your water bottle right away, you're still drinking from one of the cleanest and safest bottles out there. Peace of mind that you just can't put a price on. Number 4, switch from plastic. If you don't know by now, plastic is the worst. Even BPA-free bottles can leach hormone-disrupting chemicals, especially if they get warm. And that faint plastic taste, nobody likes that. With Taima Titanium water bottles, you can avoid that because pure titanium is completely non-toxic. That means no BPA, no PFAS, and no coatings, so your water stays fresh even when exposed to heat. And number 5, travel light and stay hydrated. Whether you're hitting the gym, commuting, or running errands, a bulky bottle can slow you down. So if plastic's off the table, what can you use that's lightweight but also safe? Pure titanium. It's about 50% lighter than steel, so you can take Taima Titanium bottles anywhere without feeling weighed down and without worrying about chemicals or contamination. With that sleek, minimalist design and matte finish, it's a truly stylish bottle you'll want to show off wherever you go. Now, with these hydrating hacks, there's really no excuse for not drinking more water. Ready to get your titanium drinkware? Visit TimeTitanium.com and get your own Taima Titanium bottle and ice cubes to keep every sip clean, safe, and refreshing. What's your favorite tip for staying hydrated? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on keeping your food and drinks healthier and safe.